Yeah, one really great offer that I enjoyed here at the Global Analytics Summit was the opportunity to talk with some great coaches for startups and ideas that you could just go in so-called incubator room and share your idea. It doesn't need to be an investor pitch, it can be just a raw idea, so it's really easy. Myself, I would have not been ready for an investor pitch, but I had an idea that I was carrying on for me for a while and wanted to see what is expert's advice on what should be the next steps on it. So, and I had really great conversations with the three guys in there, and they were very supportive and giving me lots of inspiration how I can bring this idea to life. So I would encourage, if you have an idea, sign up for it next time and bring your idea into the incubator room.